Did you know tiny flying robots could save our food supply? As natural bee populations decline, scientists have developed RoboBees, robotic counterparts that mimic real bees to pollinate flowers and help secure our food supply. Imagine a future where robot bees help real bees keep our crops growing. Welcome to the amazing world of RoboBees, where new technology meets nature's helpers. Join me as we explore this exciting innovation. What are robot bees? Robot or mechanical bees mimic real bees by pollinating plants and monitoring hive health to enhance agricultural productivity amid declining global bee populations. Honeybees are vital, pollinating 35% of the world's food crops, including apples, broccoli, and almonds in the US. Managed like livestock, they are crucial for crop pollination worldwide, yet face challenges from parasites and diseases. The need for pollinators grows with a rising human population, increasing food demand, especially for crops like coffee and almonds. Robot bees offer a potential solution to meet this demand and support food production sustainability. Advantages and disadvantages. Scientists and engineers worldwide are exploring how robots can take over the roles of real bees. These robots come in various shapes and sizes. Some fly using propellers and have horsehair bristles coated with a special gel to collect and transfer pollen between plants. Others have flexible wings powered by artificial muscles and use an electrostatic patch to cling to surfaces. Some robots don't fly but roll on the ground and pollinate flowers by blowing them with bursts of air. Pollinate crops. Blumex has developed a machine that mimics natural pollination for specific crops, using an electric charge to transfer pollen between flowers like honeybees do. Another method involves vibrating plants to release pollen, similar to how bumblebees pollinate blueberries and strawberries. According to Blumex's CEO, Tai Sade, this approach is more effective and sustainable than using regular honeybees, which can struggle in varying climates and environments during transport. Since 2020, Blumex has applied its technology in avocado and blueberry farming in South America and is developing a specialized robot for greenhouses to meet increasing food production demands. Other companies, like Blue-White Robotics and Aruga, are also exploring robotic pollination. Blue-White Robotics uses drones to pollinate date palms, apples, and almond orchards. Aruga has pioneered robotic pollination for greenhouse tomatoes, employing an AI-powered robot that identifies flowers ready for pollination using computer vision and applies controlled airstreams. Similarly, Bramblebee from West Virginia University uses robots for blackberry pollination using a similar approach. Maintain hive health. RoboBee has another advantage in that it maintains the hive's health. RoboRoyale is a project merging micro-robotics, biology, and machine learning to support the well-being of queen bees in hives. Researchers from several universities have developed a six-legged device equipped with a central camera and smaller artificial agents the size of honeybees. These robots groom, feed, and assist the queen, helping her lay eggs and maintain hive health. RoboRoyale aims to enhance hive efficiency by focusing on the queen's health, which influences overall hive health and pollination effectiveness. The project, led by Farshad Arvin from Durham University, is in the early stages, working with honeybee hives at the University of Graz. Plans include commercializing the technology to support beekeepers in managing their colonies more effectively, potentially within the next decade. Higher productivity. RoboBee has another advantage that helps in higher production. Several robot bee projects have shown success. According to SAID, farmers using Blumex can yield 20 to 40% more crops compared to using commercial honeybees. Aruga's bots perform similarly to bumblebees, sometimes even better by up to 5%. These robots also collect and analyze crop data, giving growers better control and insights to improve their yield. While RoboRoyale is still in its early stages, Arvin believes its small robots could have significant economic benefits. If we can boost pollination, it means better quality agriculture and improved food production, Arvin said. And a healthy queen leads to stronger colonies and better honey production. Greater resilience. RoboBee has another advantage in that it helps greater resilience. Most bee pollination today relies on commercial honeybees rather than wild ones, and their current use is unsustainable. They aren't meant to work commercially in agriculture because farming isn't natural, Sade explained. The way we use them is very unsustainable, harming their health, the environment, and the land. Climate change is causing honeybees to behave in ways that threaten hive survival and pollination. For example, unusually hot days can prompt queen bees to lay eggs at the wrong time, endangering the entire hive. Robo-Royale's microbots can prevent this by surrounding the queen to keep the court away. Bumblebees are also popular pollinators, but importing them is restricted in many countries to prevent them from becoming invasive. Aruga focuses on regions where importing bumblebees is prohibited, like Australia, where manual labor handles pollination. Aruga's robots have shown up to a 20% increase in yields in such cases. Aruga's robots also help growers avoid issues with traditional bumblebee pollination, such as heat sensitivity and virus transmission between flowers. Robot bees don't face these challenges. Greenhouse safety. RoboBees has another advantage in that it helps in greenhouse safety. Robot bees can function like natural pollinators inside greenhouses, eliminating the need to expose the entire greenhouse to the outdoors. Greenhouses are gaining popularity as a substitute for open farms. These controlled environments don't require pesticides because they are closely monitored. Environmental risks. RoboBees has the disadvantage that can cause environmental risks. Robot bees could potentially disrupt natural ecosystems by altering how plants are pollinated, which affects plant diversity and overall ecosystem health. Depending on how they are made and powered, manufacturing and using robot bees could lead to carbon emissions and use up resources. Properly managing waste and recycling parts are important to reduce environmental impact. Additionally, robot bees might interact differently with wildlife than real bees, which could change how animals and plants interact in nature. Potential invasive species. RoboBees have another disadvantage in that these are potential invasive species. Robot bees could become a new type of invasive species if not handled carefully. Unlike natural pollinators that evolved in ecosystems, robot bees are man-made and perform specific tasks like pollination. Introducing them into natural habitats might disrupt the ecological balance by competing with or replacing native pollinators. Limited flexibility and sophistication. RoboBees have another disadvantage in that they have limited flexibility and sophistication. Robot bees currently do not possess the flexibility and sophistication of real bees. Natural bees have developed intricate behaviors over millions of years to navigate environments, communicate within colonies, and adjust their pollination methods accordingly. In contrast, robot bees are still in the early stages and rely on basic algorithms, which limit their ability to mimic the complex decision-making and social interactions of real bees. Improving their capabilities to rival those of natural bees is a significant technological challenge, emphasizing the critical importance of natural pollinators in ecosystems worldwide. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think robot bees will eventually replace natural pollinators in agriculture? And would that be a positive or negative development? Share your thoughts in the comment box below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel for more insights. Your support means everything. Stay tuned for more fascinating stories and breakthroughs.